Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default font and font size in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up in the top left and go down and select Options on the left panel here all the way at the bottom. And now on the right side where it says when creating new workbooks, you can adjust the font by clicking inside this drop down field here, as well as adjusting the font size as well. So you can adjust both of those settings right through this single page. And then you would select OK to save any changes. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.